Starting around the 7th of May 2023, Nexo certainly is exchanging at 71 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.67% in fundamentally most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. Nexo most certainly has in every way that really matters. All-out market cap of $400,043,900 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $6,485,205 in an unpretentious manner. This makes Nexo genuinely positioning at 96 in the digital currency market. On the off chance that you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer and considering what for the most part is the Nexo cost expectation end of 2023. What will Nexo be really worth in 2023, which basically is very critical. Is Nexo a wise speculation or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023 in a sort of large manner? Will Nexo cost most certainly outperform its untouched high? These by and large are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future in an unpretentious manner. Nexo value expectation 2023. As per the Nexo conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Nexo cost explicitly is supposed to explicitly cross a normal value level of 94 cents. The normal genuinely least value worth of Nexo toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to really be 90 cents, or so they generally thought. Besides, Nexo can by and large arrive at an all things considered greatest value level of $1.06, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Nexo value expectation May 2023. The cost of Nexo in every practical sense is especially anticipated to explicitly reach at an in every way that really matters least worth of 70 cents in May 2023, which explicitly is very critical. The Nexo cost could for the most part arrive at a by and large greatest worth of 78 cents with the especially normal exchanging worth of 76 cents all through 2023, exhibiting how Nexo value expectation 2023, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Nexo value expectation June 2023. Concerning June 2023, Nexo cost in every way that really matters is gauged to especially arrive at a particularly the least cost of 75 cents, or so they for the most part thought. The Nexo cost could explicitly arrive at a by and large greatest cost of 81 cents with the for the most part normal expected cost around 78 cents, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Nexo value conjecture July 2023. The in every practical sense normal cost of Nexo could explicitly go to 81 cents toward the finish of July 2023 in a significant manner. Nexo could really be exchanging around a very greatest worth of 85 cents with the sort of least expected cost of 78 cents. Or so they for the most part thought. Nexo value expectation August 2023. Nexo cost explicitly is supposed to basically reach between 79 cents to 89 cents in August 2023, while the genuinely normal cost of Nexo for the August most certainly remains around 82 cents. Nexo value conjecture September 2023. For September 2023, the cost of Nexo especially is in every practical sense anticipated to truly arrive at a truly normal cost of 85 cents, while the coin could exchange between a by and large limit of 93 cents and a kind of least of 82 cents, or so they in a real sense thought. Nexo value figure October 2023. For October 2023, the cost of Nexo generally is for the most part anticipated to in every practical sense arrive at a very normal cost of 88 cents, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of 98 cents and a very least of 85 cents, which fundamentally is very huge. Nexo value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the extremely greatest cost for Nexo could sort of stretch around $1.01. Moreover, the minimum cost of Nexo in November 2023 by and large is 86 cents with an especially normal cost of 90 cents, which basically is very huge. Nexo value conjecture December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Nexo essentially is truly anticipated to truly arrive at a really normal cost of 94 cents, while the coin could exchange between a fundamentally limit of $1.06 and in every practical sense least of 90 cents, which sort of is genuinely critical. Nexo exceptionally passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Nexo's cost for the most part has shown in every way that really matters great increment of 2.54% in the all things considered most recent 24 hours, which truly is very critical. From kind of most recent 7 days, the Nexo basically was in every way that really matters great vertical pattern and expanded by 0.77% in a sort of significant manner. Nexo in a real sense has shown areas of strength for commonly of late, and this could be certainly great chance to dive right in and truly put resources into an unpretentious way. Notwithstanding, after the contrasting the ongoing cost and sort of beyond 30 days cost history, it fundamentally is seen that Nexo basically has expanded 5.818% in its worth in a sort of significant manner. The by and large normal pretty least cost for the month really is 65 cents, while most certainly greatest genuinely normal cost truly was 67 cents. Truly in spite of mainstream thinking. This suggests that this coin truly is a reasonable resource and another expansion to prettier arrangement of coins for most certainly long haul in a truly significant manner. The 90 days cost change in every way that really matters is near 2.20%, and the cost generally coursed from a base exceptionally normal cost of 71 cents to genuinely most extreme all things considered normal cost of 75 cents in the very beyond 90 days. Further appearance how Nexo value gauge July 2023. The essentially normal cost of Nexo could commonly go to 81 cents toward the finish of July 2023 in an extremely enormous manner. In kind of most recent 4 months, Nexo especially has shown a developing pattern. Genuinely further appearance how Nexo value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the exceptionally greatest cost for Nexo could sort of stretch around $1.01 in a sort of huge manner. Hence, we fundamentally imagine that comparative pieces of the market certainly were very famous at that period in an in every practical sense, large way. As per the scarcely the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Nexo by and large is expanded from 4 months in a genuinely enormous manner. The exchanging volume comprises an imperative job in its cost in a sort of significant manner. The coin truly is up by 8.88% with the in every practical sense. Greatest normal cost of the coin really was around 66 cents, and the truly least genuinely normal cost of generally was around 62 cents in genuinely beyond 4 months, which by and large is genuinely huge. Nexo value figure 2023 FAQs. What will fundamentally be Nexo really worth in 2023 in an in every practical sense significant way? The Nexo value sort of is estimated to arrive at an especially greatest degree of $1.06 with truly least cost of 90 cents toward the finish of 2023, exhibiting how besides Nexo can in a real sense arrive at a really most extreme value level of $1.06. Does Nexo most certainly have a future in an unpretentious manner? As far as cost, Nexo has an extraordinary fundamentally potential to sort of arrive at new levels, exhibiting that Nexo genuinely passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Nexo's cost has shown a sort of good increment of 2.54% as of now, which in every practical sense is very huge. It generally is estimate that Nexo will increment in esteem in opposition to prevalent thinking. As per certainly unambiguous specialists and business experts, Nexo can in every way that really matters hit the in every way that really matters greatest cost of $30.39 till 2030. Sort of additional appearance how Nexo value figure 2023 FAQs. What will truly be Nexo in every way that really matters worth in 2023, which especially is genuinely critical. Is Nexo especially worth purchasing in 2023, which is genuinely huge? Nexo's worth is supposed to keep on growing, as lack will in general truly support cost rise. So this suggests that this coin basically is a reasonable